Hello student, good morning. Today I will start new life cycle, that is Entamoeba gingivalis. Entamoeba gingivalis. This life cycle described by Gross in 1849. Gross scientist in 1849 and Brumt in 1913. Its classification is phylum Protozoa, class Sarcodina, order Amoebina, genus Entamoeba, and species Entamoeba gingivalis. This life cycle Entamoeba gingivalis is the non-pathogenic amoeba. Non-pathogenic amoeba. This amoeba is not any harmful to their host. Its morphology is, it is parasite of the human mouth. It is parasite in the human mouth, living as a harmless parasite. Living as a harmless parasite. Harmless means not any harmful to their host. Only live and ingested by some bacteria and some other substances, but not red blood cells. Harmless commensal, particularly in the unhealthy tissues, around the teeth. It is a small amoeba measuring 10 to 20 micrometer in length. Only 10 to 20 micrometer in length. Very, very small size of amoeba in diameter. It is actively motile, and when fresh, multiple pseudopodia. It is motile also and multiple pseudopodia also are seen to protrude the cytoplasm. Is divisible into clear hyaline ectoplasm and granular endoplasm. It is divisible means differentiate ectoplasm and endoplasm of this amoeba. Cytoplasm inclusions consist of bacteria. Cytoplasm consists of bacteria and other substances, but never red blood cells. In the cytoplasm of amoeba, that is, some food vacuoles are there, and in these food vacuoles, some bacteria and some substances are seen, but not the red blood cells. That is the harmless amoeba, not harmful to their host. The nuclear character closely resembles that of Entamoeba histolytica. The nuclear characters closely resemble that of the Entamoeba histolytica. All these characters of Entamoeba gingivalis resembles means same, sarke disne, resembles to their Entamoeba histolytica, as like Entamoeba histolytica. There is no cystic phase. Only single amoeba is present, that is called as propozoid, and cyst is absent. Propozoid of Entamoeba gingivalis showing the ingested bodies. Single nucleus is present and number of food vacuoles in the cytoplasm, and endoplasm and ectoplasm also seen. This is the very small life cycle. Its control measures. How to control this amoeba? That infection not affected to their host in the mouth. That's why control measure is essential. Avoid the kissing. Avoid the kissing. The commensal spreads through kissing. Commensal spreads through kissing. This type of infection spreading or transmitting to the process of kissing, because this infection to transmit the other person, those who are the kiss to other person. Common utensils, handkerchiefs, etc. Don't use the common handkerchief, towels and other clothes also. It occurs in 70% of population. This is the very common. Amoeba live in the mouth of human beings and all over the world. That is the 70% of the population. Its amoeba occurs in the mouth of their host. It aggravates pyorrhea. So workers have suggested that this protozoa probably prepared the teeth for pyorrhea. This protozoa probably prepares the teeth for pyorrhea of Ricketts disease. This amoeba, Entamoeba gingivalis, causing disease called as Ricketts disease due to its primary infections. The actual pathogenicity of this protozoa has not yet been established. Actually, pathogenicity of this protozoa has not yet been established. Means pathogenicity is not required. This is the non-pathogenic commensal and not any harmful to their host, and this is the useful like amoeba to live in their host, not any harmful to their host and not causing any dangerous disease. Okay, thank you.